So happy Easter, and I want to dazzle you with my final beet post. I love beets, as you all know, and I love potato pancakes. So today I'm going to make beet pancakes and potato pancakes for the Easter Holy Week and hope that you'll love it. And I made homemade horseradish sauce, grating the fresh horseradish, which makes it all the better. So as you know, I steam beets. Some people roast them, then I grate them. Scrub the potato, grate it with the peels on, and fresh eggs, organic I hope you're using. And then a little bit of milk, just like when you're making meatballs or meatloaf. Finely cut red onions, a little bit of cayenne pepper for a little heat. Of course, you can put more if you like a lot of heat. Salt and pepper, of course. And a couple of the secrets. One, a nice heavy frying pan. Something really thick and substantial, like I cook game with. And then you want to use grapeseed oil, sesame seed oil, something that you can get it really hot without burning and without smoking. Because once you mix your patties up and you put them in there, you want it so hot they start getting crispy, because you don't want them to be mushy in the middle. I don't like when stuff is mushy. So if you have your oil really hot, you make your potato pancakes or your beet pancakes or some of each. You can have crunchy on the outside and still nice and firm on the inside. Lots of onion for zest. And I hope you have a wonderful Holy Week. Happy Easter from the farm. Thanks to the hens outside. So I'm making just a couple for the video. And we're going to mix that up. If it's too dry, just add another egg. It looks pretty good. All right, now we're going to add our onions that we just minced. These aren't chopped, they're minced. Nice and fine. And then salt and pepper. And just picture, I'm probably going to make 2 patties with each, so how much you would salt 2 patties. Okay, and then for a little fire, we're going to put just a touch of paprika. I'm sorry, cayenne. Just for a little heat. I don't want to bore anyone to death. All right, now, once that's mixed, we're going to add our potatoes and our beets. So the 2 different. All right, now, see how dry this got? I have 2 choices. I can put another egg or a little bit of milk. We're going to add a little bit of milk to each one because it soaked up all the eggs. I'm going to take a spoon of that over here. Can I have the milk behind you, sir? Top right. Thank you. So, since it got so dry, just like if you were making a meatloaf or meatballs, a touch of milk, keep it from being too dry. All right, now we're going to put in our potatoes that we've just shredded. Now this part, you have to take your hands and mix it. You have to feel if it's going to stay together. So when you go like this to a patty, you got to kind of feel if it's at a consistency, it might stay together so you have enough egg and it feels right. So now we're going to do the same over here with our beets. And if you haven't had a beet that you've fried up like a potato pancake, you haven't lived. So, and then as we put those on the hot, really hot pan, we'll mush that together a little bit more. So we're ready to cook. Wow. Ready? Potato and beet. Pancakes. Get out the sour cream. Wonderful Easter dish.